My name is Andreea Trache. I am assistant professor in the Department of Systems Biology and Translational Medicine at Texas A&M Health Science Center. Our research is directed towards understanding the structure-function relationship in vascular smooth muscle cells. This is very important in hypertension, where stiffening of the vessel wall plays a fundamental role in the disease progression. To perform mechanical stimulation on live cells in culture, together with imaging of the fluorescent proteins expressed by these cells, it is a real challenge. The purpose of this combined procedure is to be able to record structural changes into the vascular smooth muscle cells as a result of the mechanical stimulation by the atomic force microscope probe. The atomic force microscope is very sensitive to any type of noise and vibration. Usually, the optical imaging is associated with scanners and cameras that are using fans for cooling. In our case, the atomic force microscope sits on top of the inverted microscope, where the spinning disk confocal scanner and the Quant-EM camera are connected. So our specific challenge was to be able to isolate the vibration from the scanner and also to isolate the vibration from the cooling fan. In our case, we had to physically decouple the spinning disk scanner and the camera fan from the microscope, while we had to maintain the proper focal plane for confocal scanning and camera imaging. Our samples express very low level of fluorescent proteins to avoid altering the cell response to mechanical stimulation. Quant-EM cameras from Photometrics gave us the best signal-to-noise ratio, and also they were the easiest to synchronize with the spinning disk scanner. Quant-EM cameras gave us the speed necessary to be able to combine mechanical stimulation with optical imaging.